Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video Tom is showing you his football skills. Say hi, Tom. Say hi. Say hi. Hello.
For my skills.
It's out of the way. Sorry.
You're right. You're right. Oh, you're good at that, aren't you? Yeah.
Am I going the wrong way now, she says.
So complimented.
And do some more, Tom. Fail. Is it all of them?
Nope.
Because once you've...
Just getting started. And what's this? Really accurate.
I don't look in the grass is soaked.
I'm trying to do this.
Oh, and you put around the world. Oh, and you have to do super quick.
I can do like a mini around the world.
What's a mini one? Half the world.
Half around the world, watch.
You can't even kick it up anymore. Wow.
Hang on. Put me on this.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, you don't want to go in the hole again, you have to crawl in. Is that it, Tom, or have you still got
Okay,
some more?
this is going to end the video now.
Right, guys, going to end the video here. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Tom, say bye.
Watch.
Tom, say bye.
Let's watch. Bye bye.